how to create this. In Blender. Let's go. Press Shift A, Mesh, and add a torus. From this area, major segment, I think 10 is great. Yeah. And for radius, yeah, this is fine. Now go to Edit Mode and Wireframe. Press 7 on your numpad for top orthographic. Then select this area and move selected item. This is great. Go to solid mode and object mode. Now let's add some modifier. Go to modifier, add modifier, generate, and subdivision surface. For our chain, level 2 is great. Yeah, 2 is fine. Now let's apply it and add modifier, generate an array. Yes. Count on, I think 15 is so good. Now let's change factor x on, yeah, this is nice. For rotate your chain, you have to add an empty. Shift A, empty, and add a plane axis. Now select your chain, object offset, and empty. Now go back to your empty and rotation X on whatever you want. Yeah, this is good. Let's go back to your modifier and apply your array. Go to physics, rigid body, and shape on mesh. Then go to edit mode, press A on your keyboard for select all your chain. Then mesh, separate, and buy loose parts. Okay, go back to your object mode and go to your setting and off the dynamic. Now go to your object, set origin to your geometry. Okay, let's see. By the way, we already made a video that taught you how to convert a text into a chain, the link of which is at the end of this video. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.